Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, friends watching this live stream. Welcome to Absen Partner Program 2022 event, Connect to the Future Asia Station. I'm your host, Jessie. It's such a pleasure to have all you here today. Thanks for your coming. First, I would like to give a brief introduction of Absen to our new friends. Absen is one of the global leading LED display manufacturers in China. Absen Group consists of 13 domestic and overseas subsidiaries, and employs more than 2,000 people. Since the establishment in 2001, Absen has dedicated itself to the research and development of LED displays. Our products have been exported to more than 120 countries and regions, and there are more than 50,000 successful cases worldwide to date. While in today's event, we are going to have three parts. First, we will share the development trends of LED display in Pro AV industry. Second, the product introduction of our new series for commercial display applications. Last but not least, we will present our program recruitment plan. Now, let's get started with a short video.
LED displays have been emerging since the 1980s. As the R&D and manufacturing capabilities progressed, large screen LED displays have become all the preferred solution in all application scenes. From 2010 to 2015, as the small pitch era unfolded, LED displays seized outdoor advertising in stages and boasted a $2 billion global market. From 2016 to 2020, LED displays gradually replaced projectors and LCD displays, advancing into the trillion-worth Pro AV market. As the preferred choice for commercial large-screen application, LED display enjoyed a global market of more than $10 billion. From 2021 to 2025, micro-mini LED products and technology will become fully developed for widespread use in high-end consumer market. The global LED display market will exceed $20 billion. In the future, ultra-high-definition LED display will establish its presence in the market of Pro AV, home theater, consumer consumption, etc. The global LED display market will soon reach the $200 billion scale. As the global leading LED product and service provider, Absen has 13 domestic and overseas companies and 2,000 plus employees, marketing its products in 130 countries and regions with more than 50,000 application cases. Professional management, R&D, production teams, advanced intelligent manufacturing factories, modern laboratories, industry-leading automated production equipment lay a firm foundation of our product quality, standardized scale production, and fast delivery. Absen Global Service Network provides 24/7 service for customers. Most of our competitive products can meet diverse customer needs. Over the past decade, Absen has established partnerships with leading international companies and customers. We trust each other and empower each other.
PSCO has been Absen's partner in the UK for over 10 years. The reason the relationship has lasted so long is because Absen are true innovators when it comes to LED. They have products for all verticals. We especially focus on the corporate market and the rental market. The products that they're bringing out in 2022 are really, really exciting.
There were several reasons we were interested in partnering with Absen, but a big one was their presence here in the US. They're one of the world's largest manufacturers of LED products and focus exclusively on direct view LED display technology. Gives us access to pre- and post-sale support from a US-based team, also providing close ties to the factory and sales engineering teams in China.
We have partnered with Absen, not just for the LED products available, but also because there is a strong commitment to develop the channel further. This is really the key element to make sure that all Absen partners can develop the business in a trusted environment.
We are Absen partner in Brazil since 2018. We started to cooperate with Absen because they have whole solutions for LED screens and also amazing quality that we need to apply in some special projects in Brazil. We have no doubts about these installation issues and warranty problems, more trustable products that we have seen and work with. We're very proud for Absen's support.
The reason we decided to start distributing Absen's products is because of their great reputation worldwide, their stable product lineup, and of course the fact that their sales staff are extremely trustworthy. The deepest respect that we have for Absen is their core values of trust, reliability, and of course their attention to detail when it comes to the accuracy of their hardware.
Actually, there are lots of manufacturers in China, but Absen has excellent record and more than 20 years history in LED display field. They always provide the high performance energy product. Also, it has more stability, flexibility, and also protection, so we will always choose to cooperate with them. Besides, Absen is very responsible company, providing the local service and professional support within 24 hours.
There are other brands alongside Absen we cooperate with. But with Absen LED products, everything is possible. The build quality is amazing, never-ending innovation, and the full service capabilities are the reason for us to choose Absen.
We also find that Absen team is easy to work with and are very responsive to our needs in terms of pricing and technical support.
去年在疫情还没有完全稳定下来的时候，爱普生派了一支专业的销售团队，然后来到武汉，扶持我们一城经销商的一个渠道拓展的一个工作。到现在，我们已经签约了有14家二城经销商。因为去年有疫情嘛，只有9个月的时间，我们的销售额就已经突破了2000万。爱普生的销售团队在武汉还没有完全确定是否安全的情况下就带着我们一起，可以说走遍了湖北省的每一个城市，甚至是区县。当时我就觉得这个品牌我们选对了。
We're excited to be partnered with Absen and look forward to working on future projects.
Waiting to meet you all as part of the partner ecosystem.
Collaboration with Absen has created a win-win situation for both.
We hope this can produce a mutual success in the future.
Absen the best.
感恩和爱普生的同行，我们和爱普生会一起共创未来。
Thank you, Absen, for all support. We're together.
Absen Global Recruitment for 1,000 plus partners starts now. Let's join hands and connect to the future.
Wow, I guess we're all excited about the future of LED display market after watching that Absen video. Since 1980s, LED display technologies have been evolving and improving, markets keep growing, and the industry ecosystem is becoming more and more mature. Now, LED displays are widely used in various applications for indoor and outdoor. When it enters the era of micro-pitch, LED display technologies will be widely used in high consumer markets. So here is the question: where is it going in the future, and what are the coming opportunities? And what are the key sectors in Asian market? Now, let's explore these questions further together with Linda, the General Manager of Asia 2 market, who will give us a presentation of LED development trends in Pro AV industry. Now, welcome Linda.
Hello all together. I'm Linda Chen, General Manager of Asia 2.
Here, on behalf of the whole Asia 2 team, welcome you all to join today's Absen Partner Program, Connect to the Future, Asia 2 Station. Hope you all enjoy today's sharing. Okay, before my today's presentation, I would like to take this opportunity to share with you Absen's latest ISE exhibition at Barcelona 2022. Well, from the video, we all can have the strong feel that after the pandemic this year, the global LED display market have a strong recovery, and all the visitors is excited about the on-site, about Absen latest solutions and also latest technologies. We also very glad to sharing that Absen Clear Cobalt product CL series win the best product awards during the ISE. Also, take this opportunity, we wish that all Absen Asia 2 partners have a fruitful year at 2022. Well, let's jump to my today's sharing. Today, we will review from Absen brand, LED display market data, LED display application in Pro AV. Absen brand. As a partnership, when we choose a supplier, actually we are choosing one brand. We would like to build a long-term business ship. We would like to build the long-term relationship with each other. Over the past 20 years, Absen has grown to become a global, truly Chinese brand with a strong reputation from high quality, reliable, and integrity. Left part is Absen Intelligent Manufacturing Center in Huizhou, with an annual production capacity of 300,000 square meters. Left part is Absen Group headquarters at Shenzhen, based at Shenzhen. As a trusted LED supplier, Absen Group consists of 13 domestic and overseas companies. Absen products has been exported to over 130 countries and regions. Until now, we totally have more than 2,000 employees globally. There are more than 50,000 projects and installations all over the world. No matter where you live, where you work, where you play, you have the chance to come across an Absen screen. From Absen headquarters, we also pay high attention to global service ability construction. Until now, we totally have over 70 global service partners, over 25 global service centers, which to guarantee to work together with our local partners to deliver fast service to our customers. For the 12 years running, Absen has been #1 of Chinese exporter for LED display. Also, at this time, Absen has been the top brand choice of the global top brand system integrator rental companies around the world. Think globally, act locally. Absen willing to cooperate with our local partners to build our local brand and our local service. We will support from SE training, after sales service, technical support, and marketing support. Let's grow together. As a global leading manufacturing, Absen supports a wide range of products from indoor to outdoor application. Totally, we have 5 product lines, including DOH, rental and staging, commercial display, data visualization, conference. We can cover segmentation from billboard, spectacular, transport, digital sign, to virtual production, corporate events, broadcasting, to corporate commercial complex retail, to also including control room, TV studio, and also including the meeting room application. Absen research and the development department will keep doing innovation, support our partner with reliable, high-quality product. Part 2, about LED display market data. As all in this industry have a strong fear that in the past 10 years, LED display industry have been experienced a really great fast increasement based on the growth driver come from technology innovation, market size increasement, and also with the different applications. From 2010 to 2015, for example, for Asia 2 market, we have been experienced a great increasement from DOH and rental. From 2015 to 2020, LED display extend to commercial application. Also replace DLP and LCD projectors. With the technology innovation, micro and mini LED technology, we are leading the high-end consumer application like the home theater. The whole global LED display market size will enter trillion market size. From the product and the channel distributor perspective, in the past few years, the pixel pitch, the mainstream pixel pitch becomes smaller and smaller. The product tends to become the standard resolution like 4K and 2K, like all-in-one solution for meeting room. Distributor and channel play a more and more important role for whole LED display industry. From the third-party Afixa market report, in 2020, the global Pro AV market have a decrease of 70%. At 2021, have 8.4 growth. By 2026, the global Pro AV market will reach to 329 billion market size. APAC region show the strongest growth. Among the all segmentation for commercial display, corporate, education, retail are the top application for the global Pro AV market. When we review back about Absen history Asia 2 business, we found that like 2019, Absen Asia 2 market, the main contribution sales come from DOH and rental. At today, we look at the future. We look forward. In the future, our main business will come from the commercial display, which will contribute more than 50% of our sales value, sure that the total market size and our sales value will increase. To Absen customer network, we have two important parts. One is through our channel partners, one is through our key account. Through the channel partner, Absen will work close with our value-added distributors and value-added partners to penetrate and go into the corporate, education, retail, broadcasting, government, commercial applications. And then through the key account, Absen will work together with rental and DOH customers to penetrate and extend for the future. Part 3, LED display application in Pro AV. Here, I would like to share the top applications like in the corporate and educations. Corporate and education also share the most main application for Asia 2 market. With a high resolution, high brightness, wide view angle, LED display enjoys the advantage for large size of the LED screen. With the application, with a use for like the intelligent showroom, lecture hall, lobby, conference room, LED display will be widely used and replaced in the future for the LCD and the projector. Retail application. Retail application cover the retail department, stores, shopping malls, flagship stores, exhibitions, also including the commercial complex. From indoor to outdoor application. Nowadays, 3D also be the new creative application for the retail segmentation. For whole Asia-2 region, we can feel that the global economy, the GDP, growing most fast in these regions. And in the past and in future, we have so many shopping mall and commercial complex will be construction in the near future. So this will be also our potential market. With high resolution, high brightness, creative display, and also flexible for installation, LED display for retail application can attract more customers to enter the stores, improve customer shopping experience. Well, with the technology innovation, with Absen brand, with Absen professional team, with Absen global service support, we are keen to meet more value-added distributors, value-added partners to make the world shine more. We share the same value, we trust each other, we empower each other. Let's connect to the future together. Thank you all.
Thank you, Linda, for the great presentation. LED displays are comprehensively penetrating the $1 trillion Pro AV market, and it has become the mainstream choice for commercial displays, especially for large screens. Next, I'd like to introduce Daisy and Alison, the regional sales manager of Asia-2 market. They will introduce two very competitive products for commercial display applications. Let's welcome Daisy and Alison.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daisy, Regional Sales Director. I feel so delighted to be one of the speakers today. In my section, I will present you Absen new product launch, including NS series, and my colleague will present you KL2 series. To begin with my introduction, I will show you the Absen indoor product roadmap. It can be divided into two categories. One of them is premium. We got the HC series, CL series, and A27 Plus. Another category is mainstream, including NX, K Plus, and the KL2 series. Now I'll give you a brief introduction of NX series. As the symbol of infinite possibility, the letter S becomes the basic design of our cabinet. The whole screen also forms a honeycomb as the Absen brand design. This design is private and it shows our confidence in product research and the product quality. If you are looking for a panel which is very slim and weight, this is your ideal choice. The panel size is 940 by 540 millimeter. The depth is only 43.5 millimeter. The aspect ratio is 16 by 9, which is ideal for human eye vision. It's extremely lightweight, only 20 kilograms per square meter. We provide you various pixel pitch choices from 3.7 to 1.5. We also have the dual brightness configuration. One of them is normal brightness version, which is 1000 nits for normal indoor applications such as brand chain store, report hall, conference room, house of worship, etc. Another version is high brightness, up to 1500 nits, for scenarios which is affected by sunlight, such as shopping mall, corporate lobby, and exhibition hall, etc. We are very proud to present you our latest pixel-to-pixel calibration technology. The difference of these two images is quite obvious. From the right picture, you see the color is more natural. In addition to the image, we got the color management technology. We got HDR10, and the contrast ratio is up to 7500 by 1. Grayscale up to 16 bits. High grayscale is to provide you more image details at low brightness. In the right picture, you see the branches in the lake can be shown more clearly. If your customer is looking for a safe and cozy display environment, we can provide you the low blue light. This series is past EMC Class B, so the safety is greatly ensured. We got the efficient dynamic energy saving technology. We can save the energy by 40% on the standby mode and up to 20% on the working state. The screen temperature can be reduced by 5 degrees. For control room or command center application, your customer may require consistent signal transmission and power supply. Our optional dual backup version can solve this problem. I also believe you will come across requirements such as creative display design. Our 45-degree edge cutting small panel can solve this. This smart panel size is only 240 mm by 540 mm with the edge cutting design on both sides. It can form creative and refined curves, give you more options for the display. This panel for the 90-degree is seamless, no gaps between the cabinets. We also want to make the installation process more easier. That's you can check our ergonomic design and easy installation design, including the anti-slip side handle, the carrying handle, and the anti-collision design. It is a great help for your technical team, and it can greatly reduce bumping lamps during installation. For the installation, we also provide you more solutions such as the backstrip and wall mounting. For backstrip, the thickness is only 21 mm. For wall mounting, the thickness is less than 80 mm. Moreover, for the installation, we support the hanging bar solution and the stacking. The whole display, you can see from the back side, is very elegant, no messy cabling. It looks very neat. The thickness is only 5 mm. We provide you the front maintenance tool to make the full front maintenance of module, power supply, and receiving card, in addition to hubboard. We come up with the innovative clamshell design for rear maintenance too. This clamshell design is rotate and is for easy rear maintenance. Can take out the module, power supply, and receiving card hubboard from the back. That's all for my introduction of NS series. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions of this part, you can contact your regional sales for more details. Thank you.
Hello, dear friends. I'm Alison. It's a great pleasure to meet you all. In the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'll show you a brief introduction about our KL2 and KL Icon products. I'm sure many of you already know well our KL series. It's also a good time to find out what's new about KL second generation. Hope the upgrade help you win projects in more application scenarios. Let's start with KL2 appearance. Its exterior design was inspired by the erupting effusive rock, with the diamond-shaped surface representing the majestic volcano. A touch of Absen orange represents the lava flow bursting forth from the gathered energy. The design idea shows Absen's sincerity in sticking to quality. The panel contains high-quality power supply, receiving card, and other components, all delivered in the form of ready-to-use panel. The cabinet constructed of fine die-casting aluminum with a strong magnet to hold the modules in place. The cabinet adopts a golden ratio of 16:9. It's also more suitable for playing the mainstream videos. The pixel pitch options are 1.5, 1.2, 1.8, and 2.5. The panel can be split into a 16:9 screen to quickly achieve a 2K, 4K, even 8K display. It is also preferred in the places like conference room, command center, and classroom. The grayscale performance is increased as well, making the grayscale changes more naturally. Even under low brightness, it can perfectly display the details in the dark part of the picture. With proper color management, there will be no color deviation. The screen will match the color gamma range of the source image and reproduce the natural scenes with high fidelity color. For 1.5, 1.8, and 2.5, it can support 120 Hz high frame rate mode. It can smoothly display the quick changing content and enhance visual fluency. This function is particularly suitable for playing the high-speed motion pictures and 3D pictures. The brightness can reach up to 800 nits, which greatly reduces the influence of ambient light on display effect. Using PWM LED driver IC, the refresh rate is as high as 3840 Hz, so there's no scan line when taking pictures. KL2 can support dual receiving card and dual power supply unit to ensure the uninterrupted power and signal, so as to realize the continuous transmission of information. This function is especially preferred and required in the places like control rooms and studios. Absen's new innovative floating connectors realizes a cable-free connections between the modules and the panel, making installations and maintenance more convenient and efficiency. And it is also good for the fine adjustment of the module position and improve a better flatness. KL2 can support stacking, hanging, wall mounting installations. Hidden wiring design is adopted to make the installation more tidy, and it can support 6-direction alignment to improve the flatness of the whole screen. We can also provide hanging bar and backing strip accessories to make installation easier. Help your team to provide user a fast delivery with time-saving accessories. The maintenance of module, receiving card, power supply, and hub board are all from the front. So no need to build your maintenance channel and save installation space. Our standardized manufacturing process and strict quality control make our products pass many tests and fully equipped with many international certifications. Not only it can ensure your user a worry-free usage experience, but also help you stand out in the tender specification. Whether it's KL2 series or an X series, it can be applied to the multiple usage applications. This slide shows only a part. If you have any needs, you can always reach to Absen sales for more information. We also have KL Icon products especially designed for meeting room applications. It has three size options with 116 inches, 130 inches, and 158 inches to match the different size meeting rooms requirements. It is decorated with the ultra-slim frame to making the most usage of the display area and bring audience a pure viewing experience. KL Icon can support mobile standing and wall mounting, the two most population installation ways in the meeting room. And they both come with the standard structure package, so it's easy for your product management and internal coordination. We also have optional functions available, realized by our iBox 3.0, with which user can achieve a smart remote control of the screen and also can enjoy dual system and dual band Wi-Fi. Please kindly be noted that iBox is not included in the standard package. If you have user really needs such functions, you can always reach to your Absen sales for more information. Here are some references show the typical application scenarios of KL Icon, such as conference room, classroom, and lecture halls. That will be all for my part. I hope it gave you a general idea about what we can provide and maybe inspire you about what scenarios maybe we can join hand in hand. Thanks for your time and attention. Wish you a lovely day.
Thanks Daisy and Allison for the detailed product introduction. If you still want to know more about our products, please contact our sales, or you can also leave a message in the chat board. We will answer it online. As the global leading LED products and service provider, Absen has been establishing solid partnerships with great companies and customers all around the world, based on mutual trust and mutual growth. Especially in this trillion-dollar LED display market, Absen is very excited to be working with more and more partners who have the same values and wish to grow together. Next, let's welcome Vishal, the Director of India Business, to introduce Absen Partner Recruitment Plan. Welcome, Vishal.
Hello all, my name is Vishal Kamal and I take care of India Business for Absen. In this session today, I will introduce Absen's partner program to you. First of all, I would like to thank you all for taking some time out of your busy schedules to be part of this event today. I welcome you all to Absen's International Partner Program. Channel partners play a vital role in establishing brand's position in any region. Channel partners are the extended arms of the company. In true sense, it is the partnership between the company and the businessman who brings the products, technology, or solutions to the market. In Absen, we strongly believe and practice to lay a foundation of this partnership on trust, honesty, gratitude, and responsibility, which are also the core values of Absen. And the very objective of this partners program is to grow together with our channel partners to serve our customers efficiently and effectively. So let's move forward and understand the details of this program. In this session, we will understand about Absen, the channel structure we follow, and the benefits our partners would get by associating with Absen as channel partner. So the question is why? Why Absen? Why is the most important question to be answered before getting associated with Absen? We must know with whom are we getting associated, what is Absen's core values, what is its global position, and what value Absen can add to your business, and so on and so forth. These questions must be asked and answered before the association. So, who is Absen? Let us understand. Why choose Absen as LED supplier? Absen is truly a multinational company. We are a global leading active LED display manufacturer. Absen carries a rich experience of 21 years in this field and has a customer-centric professional approach towards the market requirements and solutions. We are the industry standard leaders and trendsetters in terms of technology and its usage. We at Absen develop world-class, high-quality, very reliable yet competitive products. Service is our top priority. We believe in comprehensive and speedy service to our customers. Absen is the largest exporter of active LED displays in the world, and we are maintaining this position from last 12 years. We have more than 2,000 employees, 50,000 plus installations, and we are catering to more than 120 countries and regions in the present day. Now, the next question is, why join Absen as partner? Working environment matters a lot. We at Absen has a very healthy and effective cooperative environment. Our channel policy is consistent and very transparent. We ensure our channel partners profit by the way of systematic channel price management and price protection. We also have target-based rebate systems. We enable our channel partners to promote our products by providing marketing enablers in terms of marketing material, product demonstrations, systematic training to our teams, and on top of it, marketing development fund, which helps them to enhance their reach and serve their customers in a better way. We at Absen think global and act local. We establish local pre-sales and post-sales support for the speedy response time to the market. We have global service network with more than 4,000 own professional engineers and 2,600 plus ACE engineers. ACE is Absen's global certification course designed especially for engineers covering almost all the aspects of the technology. Now let us understand Absen's channel structure. If you look at the chart here, between Absen and the end user layer, we have our value added distributors, then we have value added partners, and we also have Absen registered partners layer in between. Let us understand them one by one. VAD, value added distributor, has minimal or no access to the end user but cater to the partners in between. They offer sales, logistics, finance like services to their partners. They are not just the distributors but the value added distributors, as they provide technical support and position our products in the market by way of various marketing activities specific to the region. IT or AV equipment distributors or comprehensive distributors, or for that matter module distributors, are the probable VADs for Absen. The next is VAPs, value added partners. They are the solution providers to the end customers. Generally, they focus on specific industry segments. AV or IT system integrators are the probable VAPs for Absen. VAP can have direct access to the factory or can be attached to the VAD depending upon their operations capability. And the last one is ARP, which is Absen's registered partners. They are linked to the VADs and attain the ARP status by achieving certain target. There are also SIs and subcontractors in the value chain. Now we will see what it takes to become Absen's channel partner and what benefits you can draw out of it. If you are an IT, AV, modules or a comprehensive distributor and wants to explore active LED display industry, then Absen, a global leading active LED manufacturer, is the right choice. To become VAD, you need to have substantial channel network with deep coverage. Distributor would have sales target for the region mutually agreed based on the market dynamics and channel coverage. He would keep enough stocks to cater to the market demands with minimum lead time. Also, the distributor needs to have an experience center or showroom to showcase Absen products to the customers. Under the status of VAD, you will be given a strategic price keeping in mind all the aspects of the business operations. We have a special rebate policy which is purely based on the sales performance and act as a catalyst into your profits. Marketing Development Fund would be the part of the package which will act as marketing enabler to promote our products in the market. Apart from this, we have special demo support policy for our VADs which will help them establish their showroom. Technical trainings would also be provided to the Tier 2 partners to keep their pre-sales design or sales team ready to handle market requirements. Now let me explain the VAP partner. As I explained earlier that value-added partners have direct access to the end users. So if you as AV or IT systems integrator has a substantial end customer base and want to serve them with the world-class quality products and services, then we see a clear synergy between us. We would have a sign-off on the sales target, again based on the end user coverage, active or potential pipeline, projects pipeline, and other market factors. And in turn, we would support you with the special VAP pricing for your clientele. You may choose to stock based on your project pipeline, but it is not mandated. We have rebate policy for VAPs, again based on sales performance. We will support you with marketing development fund to expand your business. We will surely support you with demo sets under demo policy. Training and other financial supports would also be part of the package. Let me now explain the channel marketing part. As I mentioned about marketing development fund in my previous slides, the whole idea of this initiative is to establish brands position in the specific market by enabling local marketing resources. This is purely performance based. MDF supports partners to achieve the following goals: reinforcing brand awareness, exploring new leads and opportunities, strengthening business relationships. MDF can also be used for activities like benchmark case, trade shows, road shows, advertising, dealer meets, etc. To apply for MDF, partners must achieve the agreed quarterly sales targets, which would absolutely comply with the Absen's channel management policy. Now coming on to the channel service. Service is one of the most important aspects of the entire value chain. We put utmost importance to our service. We have 25 global service centers, 70 service partners, and more than 2,600 certified engineers serving our customers across the globe. We provide comprehensive support in terms of 2-year standard warranty, which can get extended till 5 years depending on the series. Our support is one-stop service which covers pre-sale, sales, and post-sales support. You may contact us through various channels like WeChat, WhatsApp, email, and our official website. We have 24/7 support available with quick response within 10 seconds. We also work closely with our partners to develop their capabilities in terms of pre-sales, sales, and post-sale support. That's how they add value to the overall business. We strongly believe that our success lies in our channel partners' success. That's why we extend every possible support to our channel partners. We provide access to our channel partners to Absen's e-learning platform where they get access to a lot of technology, product, or service related information. We provide periodic and systematic trainings to our partners and their partners or end users. We also have a certification course for our engineers named ACE, which enables our engineers to perform their activities with more efficient and effective and professional way. Over the past years, we have built up a very strong channel foundations globally, and we are proud of our channel partners for their contribution to our business. A lot of big names are associated with us, and we have grown and evolved together. This is your chance to select the right partner for your business. We are here to extend our full support to your business. So let us connect to the future. We are expanding our channel network and are keen to meet more partners to make the world shine more in the near future. If you are interested, you may contact us by writing at channel.inquiry@absen.com. With this, we come to an end of this session, and I thank you all for your patience. Do connect with us on Twitter, LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Thank you so very much.
Thanks for the presentation, Vishal. So if you are interested to be our partner, or you still have questions about our partner recruitment program, don't hesitate and contact us now. Well, I guess we are getting close to the end today. I hope all of you have enjoyed our time together and get some valuable information. Absen will continuously make efforts to develop leading products and technologies, focus on customers' needs, and help our partners succeed. A win-win success is what we aim for every time. Finally, I would like to thank again to our partners who have always trusted us, and thanks for your continued support. Also, we are looking forward to creating a more exciting and bright future together with more partners. We are more than happy to have you to join our Absen family. Due to the pandemic, we haven't traveled for almost 2 years. In the next, we will make plans for business travel and really looking forward to seeing all you in person. Thanks for coming. Wish you all the best.